From this video, you will learn how to find the percent of a number. Let's say you have to find out 200% like this of 35. So how to solve this problem? So 35 is a number and you have to find out the percentage of 200% of 35. So here is a easy thing, right? You know that percent means 1 over 100. That is percent is a fraction whose denominator is 100. So let us translate this thing. So 200 times percent means 1 over 100. This of means multiplication sign, then we have 35. So now this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, you can cancel. So you are getting here 2 times 35. So that is 70. So 200% of 35 is 70. Let us take another example so that you can have confidence. Let us find 5% of 20. How to do that? Just translate 5 times percent means 1 over 100, of means multiplication, then you have 20. So you need to cancel this 0, then look, we have now 5 over 10 times 2. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2, and if you divide this 5 by 5, you will get 1. So you are getting here 1 times 2 times 2. 2 cancel each other, so you are getting here 1. So 1 is the answer. Okay, let us take another example. So what is the 20% of 30? How to solve this math? Look, just I am translating this math. What means, let's say x is means equal sign, then we have 20%, then we have of means multiplication, then we have 30. So this is the equation. So we have to find out the value of x. So 20% means 1 over 100 times 30. So cancel this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. So you are getting here 2 times 3, that is 6. X equal to 6. That is 6 is the 20% of 30. Sometimes you will get problem like this. 25 is what percent of 200? How can you solve this? Just you have to translate 25 is means equal sign, then what means say x, then percent means x percent, then of means multiplication sign, then we have 200. So now let us find the value of x. Percent means 1 over 100 times 200. So cancel this 2 0, so you are getting here x times 1 times 2 times divided by 1, right? That is, if you simplify, then 2x you are getting, right? 2x. So to cancel this x, divide both sides by 2. These two cancel each other, so you are getting here 25x, right? Just x equal to 25 divided by 2. So if you divide 25, what will happen? 2 goes into 2, 1 times 2, 2, 0, then okay. So now bring down this 5. So 2 goes into 5 2 times, 4, 1. 1, right? So if you take here a decimal point, then you have to take any number of 0. So bring down this 0. So 2 goes into 10.5. So 12.5. 12.5 answer is 12.5%. That is 25 is 12.5% of 200. So using this technique you can solve most of the problem related to percent. So let us solve another problem so that you can have confidence. What is 25% of 200? How can you solve? So let's say what means x is mean equal sign, then 25% means 1 over 100, then of means multiplication sign, then we have 200. So cancel this. So we are getting 22, that is 50. So 50 is 25% of 200, right? Okay. So let us solve this problem. 25 is what percent of 100? Just translate. 25 is mean equal sign, what means x, percent means this sign, then of means multiplication, then we have 100. Just I am translating, right? So x divided by 100, percent means 1 over 100, 100 cancel each other. So we are getting here x equal to 25. That is answer is 25%. 25 is 25% of 100. I hope, believe and expect that now you can find out easily the percentage of any number.